Let's see how to set up digital signature in Adobe Reader. First of all, you have to sign into your Adobe Reader using your account. After that, open the PDF file and then go to menu. Here, open Preferences, select Signatures. Under Identities and Trusted Certificate, click on More. In here, select Digital IDs. And here you will find all of your available digital signatures. To create a new one, just click on this create new digital signature icon. And here, select a new digital ID I want to create now. And where would you like to store your self-signed digital ID? You can select this option, or you can select Windows Certificate Store. And then click on Next. And here we can see the digital ID creating window. Here, write your name. And write here your organization unit. Write here your organization name. Enter here your email address. Select here your country region. And select here your key algorithm. And use digital ID for. I'm selecting digital signatures and data encryption. And clicking on Finish. And here we can see I've successfully created the digital signature. In this list, here is the digital signature. Now click on Close and click on OK. And now let's see how to use the digital signature. All you have to need, go to All Tools section, and under All Tools, click on View More. In this list, you have to click on User Certificate and then click on Digital Sign. Click on OK. Now, just select the area where you want to put or add the digital signature. And here you'll find all of your created digital signatures. Just select the signature, which one you want to insert now, and click on Continue. And here is your digital signature preview. All you have to need, just click on Sign. And before that, you have to save the PDF file. And then click on Save. And here we can see I've successfully inserted my digital sign to this PDF file. That's it.